I am cooking duck bolognese. Very tasty, very easy. You only have to be patient, that's all. Just simple. Tomato, onions, spices and garlic. Duck means a bit of herbs like thyme. Then add the tomatoes. Put the duck mince in and leave it cook for about 30 minutes. One of the tips I got for the pasta not to stick in is like add the pasta with the duck fat, the sauce, some cheese, mix it all up, and then just serve it. And voila. Yeah, not too complicated. And tastes like heaven. Many people will be surprised like how subtle like the taste of like duck throughout the sauce is. Like it's just amazing.